Hey guys, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So today we are going to put a beauty product into a test, and it's a moisturizer to be specific. Yeah, I've been struggling a lot these days, guys. Ever since I came home from Japan, I've been struggling a lot to find the perfect moisturizer for me, for my skin type. If you've watched my previous videos, you've already learned that I have a very sensitive skin. I break out easily. Sometimes I get hives if a particular toner or a moisturizer or even a soap irritates my skin. So yeah, that's how sensitive my skin, and it sucks and I hate it. So I've been really searching high and low for a product that would really work for me, and I don't care if it is expensive or not, as long as it will work on me. The cheaper the better, diba? So I hit two birds with one stone with that. I already tried Olay before, a long time ago, but this is not the same with the other Olays before, where the Total Effects one. This is not the same one. This is a new variety from Olay moisturizer. So yeah, I saw it on TV, I guess, or at the store, and I've been really wanting to try this. Yeah, because I was so desperate already in looking for a moisturizer that would fit my skin. And I saw it at the store, and it is really affordable. Yeah, it's really affordable, guys. Everybody could afford it, and it is also claims to be whitening. Although I don't really want it to be whitening, because I'm already have fair skin, so I don't need an extra whitening on my skin. But it doesn't bother me if it will work on my skin. So there are times also that if I go to the beach or swim at the pool and I spend a lot of time at the sun, maybe I will need that whitening, but I don't know for sure if the whitening part really works. So I've been searching high and low, like I've said, and yeah, and then I decided to try this one. So the moisturizer that I'm talking about is the Olay Natural White Pinkish Fairness, the one in pink, and I will insert a picture here, guys. So yeah, I'm so excited to try it out, and I gave myself for a good 2 weeks to try the product and see if it will really work on me or if it will just cause more damage on my skin. So I recorded some clips on me trying out the Olay Natural White Pinkish Fairness for 2 weeks. Yeah, I did it for 2 weeks or more, because it usually takes 2 weeks for our skin to really react on a product. Every time you put on something new on your skin, it usually takes 2 weeks for it to, you know, react positively or negatively. So I've tried it 2 weeks, more or less. Yeah, I think more than 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. So yeah, I'm so excited to share to you guys. So if you want to know if the Olay Pinkish Fairness worked on me, then you better keep on watching. Hey friends, good morning. So today is going to be the first day that I will be trying the new Olay Natural White Pinkish Fairness. I saw this on TV mga last week lang yata. And today is June 26, 2018. So I saw this on TV and I wanted to try this one, and tamang-tama kasi kakatapos ko lang i-try yung sa Himalaya na oil-free gel radiance gel moisturizer, basta yun. So I already tried that one, and I wanted to try another one that would, you know, remedy my problem. Ito yung face ko, guys. So wala pa yan, so magsa-start pa tayo. So on the left side, this is how my face looks like. It's getting worse. The culprit is yung Himalaya. But I think it's not the Himalaya, because I like the Himalaya yung yung intensive moisturizing. Yun, I will be doing a review on that, but for now we will do the Olay one. So eto yung face ko nga pala. Dami kong, ano. So, on this side, ito yung pinaka-worst, guys. So, ito yung face ko, guys, before the Olay Natural White Pinkish Fairness. Yan. Dito, grabe. On my chin, on the other side. Yan. So, yan. So, this is after the first use, and it says na Pinkish Fairness from first use. So, I don't know if I turned pink or fair. You be the judge, guys. On this side, up front, and on this side. Oh my God, I'm sweaty. So, yan. After, this is the after first use. I don't see any, I don't know if I see any big difference na merong lightness or pinkish. Because my face naturally is very red. Yeah, I don't know. You be the judge. So, ito yung first na pinaka-first application. So, I don't know if yung clinic claim nila na fairness, pinkish fairness after first use. But I didn't see any pinkish fairness after first use so far for me. Kasi, yun nga, yung skin ko is naturally red. Ang daming red mark. So, yan. But, it doesn't matter kung sa, sa first use, diba? As long as, after a week, at least may difference. But, I'm not after the, guys, I'm not after the whiteness of my face because I'm already white. I'm after for, like, at least mawala man lang yung, yung mga pimples ko. Hey guys, it's been a week, so we are going to do an update dun sa Olay na Natural White Pinkish Fairness. So, ito yung face ko after ko nilagay yung yung Olay. Instantly, it gives fairer. This week ko lang, or after like mga 3rd or 4th day, napansin ko na after I apply it on my face, it gives me this radiant white skin. Yeah. And after a week of using it, I feel like medyo nag-work naman yung product kasi I've noticed na medyo nag-even out or my skin looked a little fair compared to from last week. So in that term or in that part, medyo effective naman siya because yeah, like what it claims na magla-lighten and brighten. And also I've noticed na medyo plump na yung yung skin ko, guys. If I am going to compare this one doon sa yellow one na Olay, I like this one better because this does not leave my skin greasy, dry feeling, because the yellow one, after I've used that, it makes my skin squeaky dry. I don't know, it's so weird. But with this one, they say this is a non-greasy formula. But even though it's a non-greasy formula, it still leaves my skin hydrating feeling. Basta iba yung feeling niya. I feel like my skin is feeling a little supple. So, yun. That's a thumbs up for me. And regarding to my acne or my pimples or my breakouts, I still have this one on my forehead, although it's not very bumpy anymore, but still very red. This one still exists, and I also still have here on my right side, although it's not that bumpy, it's still been a week, but andyan pa rin sila. And then I also have a new one here, and the worst one here. I just got this the other day, and it turned out to be like this gross may na pimples. I haven't gotten something like this for a long time, but I don't know. I'm not taking pills anymore, maybe because, diba? So, yun. But, hindi naman kiniklaim ng Olay na it helps with your pimples or your breakouts, diba? And it only claims na it will brighten and whiten and moisturize. Well, definitely it has really moisturized my face. I even use this at night, and after I wake up in the morning, wow, my skin looks amazing. So this is my 1 week update, and I will be back on my 2nd week. And I don't know if I'm going to be using this one for a month, but let's just see. But yeah, let's see. So I'll see you next time. Hey friends! So today I'm going to do a second week update on the Olay Natural White Pinkish Fairness Moisturizer. So I'm really excited na guys kasi I'm gonna tell you why. So it's been like 2 weeks since I've used the Olay Natural White Pinkish Fairness, and if you ask me if did it work, yes, definitely it worked, because I don't know if you've noticed, but my face has dramatically look brighter and fairer compared to the first day that I have not used the Olay Natural White. Yeah, I really noticed a significant change on the color or the complexion of my skin, and yeah, it's been 2 weeks only, and I'm so happy kasi nga it did give me results, guys, and considering it's very cheap, diba? So this is the second week update. I don't know if I'm going to continue to the third week or a month, but I think it's okay na, diba? Kasi I've seen result. I'm really excited. And what else? It made my skin brighter and fairer, yes, definitely. And what I like about this one too is that it also moisturized my face beautifully. Although I still have this spot, but disregard that one, guys, because it's almost the time of the month, kaya medyo marami na yung lumalabas since I'm not using pills anymore. So yan, meron pa din sa aking forehead yung mga lively ones, but nonetheless okay na okay yung yung results sa akin, kasi hindi naman siya nag-claim na it will diminish or lessen your breakouts or something like that, but it did not add any breakouts on my lower area on my face. Still the same part na meron ako, guys, so there's nothing to worry about it. And yeah, I'm so happy. It really did work, guys. Yeah, it really did work. So happy for that on my 2 weeks, and yes, it's very affordable. So I'm gonna do a final recap on this one, and I'm gonna see you later. Yes, it worked for me, and I am so excited. Yeah, it really did work for me. I wasn't expecting really that the whitening part would work. What I'm really up to is the moisturizing effect on the product. So I'm so happy that it really did work for me. It did not only moisturize my face, because it was really moisturizing to the face. I did not expect that to be that moisturizing, because if I am going to compare it with the Olay Natural White in the yellow one here, post it here, that one is so dry feeling. I don't know why. It was so weird, and it gave me more breakout. But on this one, it really did not add any breakouts on my face, and it's so good under makeup. And sometimes if I use that one, I do not use any BB cream at all. I only use a little concealer here on my under eye area. That's all I do, and I was really surprised and shocked, yeah, with the result of the Olay Natural White Pinkish Fairness. Yeah, it's a good find, and it's very cheap. So I got mine from Colonnade, and there it was only 13.75 pesos. But I don't know if from other stores, maybe it's roughly 15 pesos from that small sachet. So at first I only tried this sachet because I wasn't sure if it will work on me. So I'm so happy really that it worked for me. So I just wanted to do a disclaimer, guys. This is so important. So what worked for me may not work for you. Yeah, that's just how it works. So also I wanted to point out on the whitening effect side, maybe it has whitened my skin because I have naturally fair or white complexion, and I think I only have dark skin because recently I went swimming and I was exposed to the sun. So maybe that's the reason why I saw some results in the whitening side, but who knows. I don't know also if this will brighten or whiten if you have naturally morena skin or you have a darker skin tone. Just a disclaimer because yeah, just a disclaimer. And also, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. So I just wanted to try this if it will work, and I wanted to share this to all of you because I just wanted to share a good find. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this helpful, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So I'll see you on my next video, friends. Bye!